Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the Patriot memory signature line DDR5 SODIMM, specifically the 32GB single stick running at 5600 MHz with CL46 timings. This module is designed to breathe new life into your laptop or notebook, and we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and this module looks clean and simple. It's a standard 262-pin SODIMM, so installation should be a breeze in any compatible laptop. The black color is understated and should blend in nicely with most system interiors. Now let's talk specs. This is a 32GB single module, operating at a frequency of 5600 MHz. The CL46 timings are decent for DDR5 SODIMMs, and the 1.1V voltage is standard, ensuring power efficiency for your laptop. Being a double-sided 2-rank module, it should offer good performance in most systems that support it. The real question is, how does it perform? In testing, the Patriot memory module showed a noticeable improvement in multitasking and overall system responsiveness compared to the stock 8GB or 16GB configurations that many laptops ship with. Applications loaded faster, and switching between programs was significantly smoother. For content creators, this extra RAM is a boon, allowing for larger projects and smoother editing workflows. Gamers will also appreciate the increased headroom, especially in memory-intensive titles. Of course, performance will vary depending on your specific laptop and its CPU. However, the 5600 MHz speed and 32GB capacity provide a solid foundation for improved performance. It's important to check your laptop specifications to ensure compatibility with DDR5 SODIMMs and a maximum supported memory capacity. One thing to keep in mind is that this is a single module. While it's a great upgrade for laptops with only one SODIMM slot, or those looking to maximize capacity, running a single module means you're not taking advantage of dual-channel memory. For optimal performance, especially in systems that support it, consider a kit with 2 modules. Overall, the Patriot memory signature line 32GB DDR5 SODIMM is a solid upgrade for laptops and notebooks. It offers a significant boost in memory capacity and speed, leading to improved multitasking, application performance, and overall system responsiveness. While the CL46 timings aren't the tightest, the 5600 MHz speed and 32GB capacity make it a worthwhile upgrade, especially for users who need more memory for demanding tasks. If you're looking to breathe new life into your laptop, this module is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.